Is it audible? Hello. Now we'll start the session on regular expressions. How regular expressions can be used in the JavaScript. Regular expressions are the patterns which you use to match the character combination in a string. You may have a sentence. From the sentence, if you want to set a particular string of a particular pattern, then you can use the regular expression. So remember, most of the time, for example, in the Notepad or MS Word, any editor, there you may try to search a particular word from the given text. There always it will be using a particular search pattern. If the pattern matches, it will say that that word found in the text. Otherwise, it will say not found. I think in MS Office, there's something called MS Word. In MS Word, you can search a particular word. So while searching the word, it will use always the regular expression. So in JavaScript, regular expression is also called objects. Regular expressions are also known as object. These patterns are used with the special functions like exec function and test function. So remember, those regular expressions are stored in terms of objects. These patterns are used with exec method as well as test methods of regular expression. So in the regular expression, there are two methods: the exec method and test methods. And the match all, replace all, search, split methods of the string also uses regular expression. So that means the regular expressions are used in two places. One is using regular expressions. Second one is using string patterns. Now, how to create a regular expression? You can construct the regular expression in two of the way. Regular expression can be constructed by two ways. One is by writing this way: const re equal to /ab plus c. This is one of the regular expression. Using a regular expression, the literals, which consist of pattern enclosed between the slashes. This is the forward slash, this is the forward slash. This is starting, ending. Between this, you are writing. This is my regular expression, and you are writing within the two slashes. So this re is my regular expression object, but this is my constant variables. I can say the regular expression literals provide the compilation of the regular expression when the script is loaded. If regular expression remains constant, using this can improve the performance. Or you can call the regular expression through the constructor of a regular expression object. So you can create this way also. Either you can write with forward slash, two forward slash in between the regular expression. Otherwise, you can write like this within single quote AB plus C. So you can write the regular expression by two way, either by writing the variable like this, the pattern like this within forward slash, two forward slash, or by creating the object. So you can use the constructor. I think you know what is constructor. Constructor is the method which initialize the particular object. So here I am creating an object of regular expression, RE. So using this constructor function, which provides the runtime compilation of the regular expression, and use this constructor when you know the regular expression pattern will be changing, or you do not know the pattern or getting it from another source such as input. Sometimes the data may come from various sources also. So once the regular expression is ready, then searching will be easy. So the first toughest job is creation of the regular expression. This is a simple example of the regular expression. B plus C. Starting with A, B plus, that means at least one B with multiple occurrences may come, and ended with C. And you can write a regular expression pattern. A regular expression pattern is composed of the simple characters such as /ABC, or the combination of simple and special characters AB star C, or /chapter, or you can write this /D dot D star. These are all special characters that we use in the regular expression. Plus, question mark, star, dot, square bracket, parentheses. These are special symbols generally used in the regular expression. The last example, which includes the parentheses, which are used as a memory device. The match made with the part of the pattern is remembered for the later use. And yeah, we'll have a small program on that also, so that we will have more clarity. First, we'll see the theoretical part. Next, using the simple patterns. Simple patterns are constructed of characters for which you want to find a direct match. For example, the pattern is /ABC forward slash. See, starting with forward slash, ending with forward slash. So this is one regular expression which matches the character combination of the string only when the exact sequence ABC occurs. All characters together in the order. That means if the sentence or if the string contains ABC, then it will say that this is found. Otherwise, it will say not found. Such a match could succeed. For example, I'm giving a string like this. Hi, do you know your ABCs? So this is a sentence. In this sentence, I'm trying to search what? ABC. Whether ABC available in the sentence or not. So the pattern, the latest airplane designs evolved from slab craft. For example, this is one sentence, this is another sentence. In these two sentences, whether you have ABC or not, please observe here. Our pattern is what? ABC. In this sentence, whether ABC is there? Answer is yes, ABC is available, found. If you go to second sentence, the latest airplane design evolved from slab craft. So here ABC also available. Yeah, here also it will say true. That means in both the string, ABC is. So that means what? The pattern may be available beginning of the string, or may be available middle of the string, or may be available at the end of the string. It may be available at any place. So the regular expression searching pattern is what? It will be keep on searching from beginning to till end. So in both cases, the match is with substring ABC. There is no match in the string grab crab. For example, I am giving this one grab and crab. So AB, in between there is a space. In between there is a space. So that's why it's saying that ABC is not there. So ABC does not exist in the grab crab. If at all my pattern is AB, if my pattern is AB, then it is found because AB is there. If my pattern is RAB, RAB is found. Yes, RAB is there. Here RAB is there. But actually my pattern is what? ABC. But ABC is not available in this particular string. So most of the time, the text editors which allows you to search. So in the searching program, always you have to use a regular expression. Now, using the special characters, you can search. With the search for match requires something more than the direct match, such as finding one or more bees or finding white space, or you can indicate or you can include special characters in the pattern. For example, I am write single A followed by 0 or more B followed by C. You can use the pattern like this. What is the question? Now understand the question. First, it must be started with A, followed by 0 or more B, 0 or more B. That means either no B or more than one B, followed by C. That means what? It must be started with A, ended with C, in between either 0 or more B's will be there. So how to write the regular pattern for this? The regular pattern is, so you can use the pattern like this. /A, this is the syntax for the regular expression representation, / again ends with also /. In between, I told you A, starting A, ending C, but 0 or more B, so B star. So star is the symbol, special symbol for regular expression to represent 0 or more. So here B star means 0 or more. B followed by star, which means 0 or more occurrence of the preceding item. In the string CBB, ABB, CB, EBC, will the pattern, this pattern will match the substring ABBC. Is there ABBC? Yes. A is there, BBB is there, C is there. Yeah. This pattern is matching here. Are you observing here? So, because in the string, that means in a whole text, it is very difficult to find out the position. But if you write a regular expression, then that will be easy to find the location where exactly that data is there. So after finding general, what you will do? If you observe your Microsoft Word, there is something called find and replace. So find is doing what? Find is checking the position, whether that required pattern is available or not. If it is available, it is saying that yes, it will tell the position. Then replace. Replace, what it will do? Replace will be go to that position and replace the new item. So whatever the data found in that place, that will be replaced. Now let us see some examples of this. So I'll share this one to you. Are you able to see now the regular expression? The very good examples you can find here. So here, a regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. When you search for data in the text, you can use the search pattern to describe the searching for. A regular expression can be single character or maybe complicated pattern also. Remember, a regular expression need not be a simple one also. It may be complicated one also. A regular expression can be used to perform text search or text replace. So that means you can do either searching some data or you can replace the data also. Okay. So while writing the syntax, you would follow this: forward slash pattern followed by the modifier. Here there are three modifiers are there. There are three modifiers. What are the modifiers? One is I, second one is G, third one is M. There are three modifiers. I'll show you the modifiers. Okay. First, let me use the I. ~3 schools slash I is a regular expression. This I indicates what? This I is a modifier which is case insensitive. That means generally regular expressions are sensitive. It will try to match exactly the same pattern, same characters must be matched. But if you write here I, the uppercase, lowercase, case sensitive means what? There is a difference between uppercase A and lowercase a. That means uppercase alphabets, lowercase alphabets are different. But when it is insensitive, both are same. So whenever you do not want to bother whether it is uppercase or lowercase, in that case write slash I. Slash I. Now here my string method, search method is there, replacement. Search method you will find the position, replacement method will replace the string. So search method generally internally uses the regular pattern again. Replace method will be doing the task. What is the task? Wherever the pattern found, it will replace. Now observe here. Are you able to see here? Is it visible? Visible? Yeah. Now see, if you observe here, let is a variable, means a variable declaration, text visit the schools, and text sets ~3 schools, it is searching from the given text. From this text, it is checking whether ~3 school is available or not. If it is available, at which place, that location will be returned. So n is will be the location of the ~3 schools. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at the 6th place, my ~3 school starts. So it will give the index where that particular string found. So n is my index of the ~3 schools. So there I'm printing ~3 dot means document dot get element by ID demo. So here wherever P is there, my P search pattern. So here I'm printing in my paragraph P. So there my ID is demo. So in the demo place, it will give the n. Are you getting? So automatically the what is it? Location of the pattern is available. So that means internally what is doing? Now can you tell me how to write the regular expression for this? This is directly passing the search internally. What did it do? Forward slash W3 S uppercase SCHOOLS and forward slash. This is the way you write. This is nothing but this. Both are equal. Both are equal. But for example, here I'll write here W lowercase, S also lowercase. Now it's saying -1 because it is a case sensitive. It is saying that this is not available because here I wrote lowercase w. Here I am having uppercase W. Okay. Yeah. Now same thing, I'm searching it to regular expression. This is using the search method, which is available in the string because text is my string variable now. In the string, I'm calling my search method there I'm getting this. Now same thing which is indirectly implemented, that is using regular expression. Yeah, please observe here. This is the main part. Here, visit school. Forward slash this. Now what is the answer? Answer is 6. Assume if I remove this I, it is saying that is not found because this is lowercase. But if I write here I, that means not sensitive, then 6. Did you observe? So this is the difference in I and non-I. So sometimes your application may be very, very sensitive. Now, can you tell me in which case the I should not use? For example, I am storing lot of password in a particular file. Password generally case sensitive. So in that case, I should not use I. Because password is combination of uppercase and lowercase. That's why in that scenario, I should not use I. I have to remove I. If it is a normal text, then I can use I. Normal searching button first. Next. Now, if the data found, I want to replace, because I told in the regular expression the two things, searching and replacing. Here, I will replace. See here, I am replacing Microsoft with schools. So wherever schools are there, I am replacing that. This is my string. Please replace Microsoft with schools in the paragraph below. Please visit. Now see, when I'm calling my function, control goes here, my function, it is taking the text. What is the text? My text is available in my, please wait. Now this is my text. Please visit my school. I will write, please visit my school. SCH. Now this is my text. Here I am saying replace school. I'll remove this one. Replace school with office. Replace school with office. Yeah. Please visit my school. If I say SCHO, schools, here is it. Here also I remove this exclamation symbol. Right? SCH, replace office with get element by demo in a symbol. I got the text. The text element by demo. Replace yes. Yeah. So I'm replacing school with office. Now, did you observe here? So wherever school is there in my sentence, please visit my school is there. That I'm replacing the school with office. So this is the way you can do. Similarly, with regular expression, how you will do? This is using the normal methods, replace methods. So same replace method internally actually using the regular expression. So here I can use like this, text dot replace this. Replace this. Now if you observe here, yeah, try it. Yeah, 3 schools. So whatever data is there. The data you are changing now. Okay. Now here my please visit Microsoft is there. That Microsoft we are replacing with 3 schools. So whenever find and replace pattern comes, means finding something, replace something, there you have to use the regular expression. It will be easy task for replacing. Okay. Now you have to understand the 3 modifiers. Modifiers can be used to perform case sensitive more in global searches. Remember, there are 3 modifiers generally used along with the regular expression. One is I, second one is G, third one is M. I for what? To perform case insensitive. That means it is not bothering whether it is uppercase or lowercase. Similarly, G means what? It perform the global matching. Find all matches rather than the stopping after the first match. So generally in a particular string, the same pattern may be matching in multiple places. Same pattern. Now, for example, here I'll show you. Yeah. Here, please observe here. Is this all there is? So is available how many times? This and is. It is available 2 times. So if I run now, it's giving, for example, instead of is there that, instead of is I will write that. Now how many times? Only 1 time, which is matching only once. It is, but if I write here only okay, is, for example, I write here this is, in that case giving 2. But if I write here instead of G, assume I will write here I. Now it will give only first one with insensitive. That means this is also coming. This also coming. If I write here /G, no. So it will take only single modifier. But if here write here global search G, it will try to search multiple places with case sensitive way. With case sensitive way, because it is available here, it is available here also. Did you observe 2 places in a similar way? So I told you how many modifiers? 3 modifiers. One is insensitive, second one is perform global match with sensitive way, third one is multi-line matching. You can check here also. \n is this, again \n is the is. That means there are how many lines are here in this sentence? Yeah. How many lines are there in this sentence? \n is new line. New line means there are 2 lines are there. In these 2 lines, you are trying to check is. In the multiple lines, not in the first line itself. In the program or in the text, there may be multiple lines. From the multiple lines, if you want to search, so you can put like this, starting with is from the given text, which may have one sentence or 2 sentences or multiple lines. From that, if you want to search, you can do this /m. So I, G, M, these are the 3 modifiers you can use along with the regular expression. Fine. Assume here I'll write here TS. So it is not found. Is not there. But if I write here I, yeah, it is available. Is, I'll write here again /n this TH is multiple line sets is beginning of the each line in a string, beginning of the each line. So here this is not the beginning, this is in the middle. Assume I'll write here I will write, is it correct? Is it okay? Is it okay? Again, /n. Is this then here if I remove this, so it is available. So in the beginning of the line, in the first set, it is stopping. For example, here I'll write here this. I'll remove this. Is which is available. For example, here I'll remove. Is it okay? So it is available. Assume this is removed. If it is removed means nothing is there. Yeah. So it is not found. Now it is found. Okay. So you can use these three modifiers for regular expression. Yeah. Now the regular expression patterns, the brackets are used to find the range of characters. Remember, for regular expression, you can use the brackets. Inside the bracket, if you want to find any character, now inside the bracket, how many characters I have written here? A, B, C. That means it will check A, B, C in the given string. Now see, this is a sentence, and in the bracket I wrote H only. H, it will check globally. How many times H is there? H is here. H is here 2 times. Assume I read here one more H. His. So I found 3 times. Yeah. If at all I write here instead of H, I will write here A, B, H. 3 cents. If A is there, yeah, A also there, but B is not there. Assume I may write ABS. ABS is there or not? A is there, B is not there. So SSS. So in the square bracket, you can specify the set of characters. So it is trying to match in the given text. If it is available, it will display. Similarly, because if there are limited characters, you can specify within the square bracket. Within the square bracket. If there are multiple characters, which is not easy to write, means it may be lengthy, then you can write the hyphen symbol. 0 to 9. Find any digit between the brackets. So that means 0 to 9 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If any of the digit is available, then it will say yes, found. Now see, this is my number. Here I am checking 1 to 4 is there or not. If it is there, it will display. Yeah, it is available. Assume 4 is not there. In my sentence, 4 is not there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 is there. So I need, that means from the text, I'm trying to match with my regular expression. What? 1 to 4 is available. Yes, 1 is available, 2 is available, 3 also available. If it is available, that result I will display here. Wherever I have given the demo. So demo is my ID of the paragraph. There it will display. So 1, 2, 3 is displayed. So the match returns what? Match returns the characters which are matching. That list of characters are matching will be stored here, and that is displayed. Is it clear? Yeah. Now find any of the alternative, either X or Y. Either X or Y. Now, for example, I'm having a text RE, green, red, green, gray, green, GR, blue, yellow. That means I am having multiple words separated by comma. And here I am trying to search red and green only. I don't want to search entire thing, whether red and green is there or not, red or green only. So you can write the or symbol or the pipe symbol. Earlier I have used what? Square bracket. There I am using the pipe symbol. It will check whether red or green or both. Red or green or both. Yeah. Assume I want to check red or blue or red or pink. PANK, pink. Pink is there. Pink is not there. Only red is there. So wherever red is there, it will find. Assume I will write here RE. Red or RE. Yeah. RE is there, red is there. So it will try to search exact pattern. So if it is there, it will display. Otherwise, no. Fine. So this is the way you can find the range of characters in the given text. So try to remember, either within the square bracket you can specify the list of characters what you want to search, or you can write 0 to 9. Similarly, there is another way also. See here, if you do not want to write H, I want to write up to A to square bracket A hyphen up to H, A to H. Yeah. So you can write also, just like digits, you can specify the list of characters what you want to search. This way also you can use. Fine. So most of the time, the regular expression, they will use this type of patterns. Okay. Next. Now assume you want to find a digit, meta characters. There are some set of meta characters which are used along with regular expression having special meaning. Meta character. What is the meaning of meta character? Information about the character. Metadata, data about data, character about character. That means that character having special meaning. So those characters you can use along with your regular expression. /D, it will trying to search digit. /S, it will find a white space. /B, it will find beginning word. Find a match at the beginning of the word like B word, at the end of the word like word B. So you can use these meta characters whenever you are trying to search a particular pattern. Similarly, / with U followed by 4x. Find a Unicode character by the hexadecimal number. So these are my special meta characters generally used in the regular expression. See now, first one is what? Finding the digit. Here I am having a text. Give 100%. Text, the match with the digit D is available or not. Forward slash, within the forward slash you wrote here /D. That means whether you are having any digit or not. If any digit is there, you display it. So assume I will write here, give 100% marks for 79 students. 79 students. Now here what will happen? Yeah, whatever the digits are there in the particular sentence or in the particular text, it will try to check only digit. Why digit? Because I wrote here /D. This is my meta character. So you are trying to check from the text with particular digit. Means D means it will search all type of digit. If you do not write this, then how will you write? Assume I want to say do not use /D, but search only digits. Now anybody can say how what I have tried to search only digits using the square bracket pattern. This is using meta character. This is using meta character. There is another way. So you can write this way also. What? square bracket 0 to 9. This also you can write. Both are same only. Yeah, both are same. If you write here 0 to 7, then it will give up to 7 only. 9 is not coming. So that means this is customizable. Within the square bracket, when you write, this is customizable. But when you write slash with the D, that is means you cannot customize. Whatever the digits are there, that will come. Slash D. All are coming. All are. Is it clear? So you can write slash D, or within the square bracket 0 to 9 also you can write. Both are equivalent. But 0 to 9, if you write within the square bracket, you can customize 0 to 9, 0 to 3, or 1 to 3, or 1 to 9, something you can write. But slash D means you cannot customize. This is purely for digits. Okay. Next one is slash S. Slash S is what? Find a white space character. Now see, white space is there or not? Is this all there is? So return. Yeah. Assume here I'll write. I'll remove this. Is this all? Is this all? Here how many is white space? First one and second one. Yeah. Here 2 white space. Global sets. Yeah. White space. White space. Find a white space character. Yeah, white space character is available. For example, here I'll write A space B space C space D. A space B space. First one, second one, third one. Where is it coming? I'll give one more space. Then it's coming. What is the meaning? Slash global sets. Find a white space character. See, I have given no. Here I given match this one. 1, 2, 3. Do a global search for white space character in a string. Actually, how many should come? What is the wrong here? Globals, do a global set for white space characters in the string. Actually, here 1, 2, 3, 4. But if we give a space, it's coming. No. It will not take. It will result 4 is coming. 1, 2, 3. Here I given 2 space, that's why it's coming. Maybe the last one it is escaping. Assume here I'll give this. In that case, only 2. So last one is skipping. The first and second are considered. The last one, it is end mark, means a delimiter for that. Okay. Fine. Next, /u. /u with 4x. This is generally used in Unicode characters. So assume here /u 0057/g. I am searching. This is what? 0057. 0057 is what? Actually 16 Unicode. 16.5 is the 80. 80 plus 7, 87. The ASCII code of uppercase W is how much? I think you know. A means 65. A means 65. B means 66. Up to W. W means 87. X means 88. Y means 89. Z means 90. These are the ASCII value. So the Unicode value for W is 0057, which is nothing but 87, because this is given in hexadecimal value. 16 into 5, 80. 80 plus 7, 87. 87 is equivalent to W. W is there or not? /u /3 schools run the global self hexadecimal number 0057 in a string. My text, visit 3 schools all over world. Okay, I'll see. Run. It is not there. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, it is available. Where? 3 times. Okay. Now if I write here, for example, 4-1. Okay, whoa. Here I will write here apple. Now how much? A is coming because 41 is, that is equivalent to 65. The hexadecimal value of 41 is equivalent to 65. 65 means A. So it is checking A. So this /u, this is Unicode value searching globally from the given text. My text is given. From this text, it is searching. Okay. So this way you can check from the given text. So you can apply these meta characters. Either /d for what? Digit, /s for white space, /b to find a match beginning of the word. This is beginning of the word. Yeah. Here I am trying to check B beginning with LO. Begin with LO. Found in the position. Hello. Look at you. Found in position 7. LO. LO is available at this place. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, I will remove this one. I will remove this. Look at you. That is found at 0th position. Fine. If I write here, find space. Found at 5th position. Yeah. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 5th position LO is there. Okay. So /b means beginning. Same thing, you can write /b also. If you write here /b ends with low. Low is available at this place, 3rd position. Earlier it was starting position. This is now ending position, ending LO. Hello. For example, it must be ends with search for the character LO in the end of the word. In the word, so you are checking word by word. In the word, whether LO is there or not. Where you are checking, either at the beginning or at the end. If you want to check at the end, write the /b at the end. If you want to check at the beginning, put /b at the beginning. Okay. So the /b, the position, /b with word or word with /b. Word with /b means the word should be at the end. So you can use these meta characters while searching the given string. Is it clear? Now, there are some quantifiers. The quantifiers like plus, star, and question mark. Plus is what? Which matches any string, contains at least one character. N is my character. That character will be at least one time. N star means the character may be occurring 0 or more time. The character with question mark matches the string either 0 or 1. Sometime you may try to search a word 1 or more time, or 0 or more time, or 0 or 1. So there are the 3 different quantifiers. So you can use in the regular expression while searching the particular word. Now see N plus, how to use. You can write a sentence. Hello world, hello W schools. O plus, that means 1 or more. Positive means 1 or more. So is there or not? Yes. So do a global search for at least one O in the string. So here at least 1 is there. Here at least 1 is there. Here at least 1 is there. So in the 3 places we found the O's following that pattern. Fine. So you can use this pattern in the maths method. So you can take a text, from the text you are searching whether my pattern is available or not. If at all you may interested to check 0 or more time, 0 or more time, that means you should write instead of plus you should write star symbol. LO, L with O star. L with O star. That means starting with L, or O may be there, may not be there. O may be there or may not be there. So L or L with triple O, because here L first letter is matching, or L with triple O, that is also matching, or only L matching without O. Here L is matching and LO is also matching. Here last, here LO is not there, is not matching, but L is matching, so that's a L. So whenever you want to have 0 or more, then put a star mark. This is my quantifier. What are the quantifiers? Plus, star, and question mark. These 3 quantifiers are also used in the regular expression. So you can use these expressions. Similar question mark. Question mark with what? Either 0 or 1 occurrence. So you can use like this: text dot match 1 0 question mark. That means 1 should be there. Either 0 should be occur once, or either 0 time or 1 time. Now here 1 0 is not there. Here 1, but 2 times zeros are there. 1 0 1 time. Here 1 0 1 time. So do a global search for 1 followed by 0 or 1 time of 0. 0 or 1 time of 0. That means 0 should be there either once or nothing. So if they give this pattern, then you should say answer is 1, first one. Then here 1 and 0, here also 1 and 0. Fine. So this is the way you can search. These are all what? Quantifiers. So for every regular expression, these quantifiers you can use for searching. I think you know in your, what is it? Even while writing the queries, starting with name, n star, n percentage symbol, n with percentage symbol, starting with n, ends with anything. That is also one type of quantifiers that will be generally used in the SQL queries. Similarly, in the regular expression, you can write like this, n plus or n star, or even in the file searching, a star dot star. That means a starting with a, after a, any character may come, dot, star. So there also you can use star. Star means it can be any character, any number of characters. If I write a star dot question mark, that means after dot only one character should be there. If I write a plus dot star, that means after a, one or more characters may come. And star means may have 0 or more characters. So these meta characters are used in the even file searching also. While searching the files from the directory, there also you can use these quantifiers. Okay. Of course, internally, almost all programs uses this regular expression. Yeah. So now you have used till all regular expression. So try to know what are the quantifiers, what are the meta characters, and what are the brackets, means means the patterns in the square bracket, and what are the modifiers. If you know these things, you can write the regular expression easily. So practice well. Next, regular expression objects. Remember, in JavaScript, a regular expression object is a regular expression object which define the properties and methods. So you can use regular expression object. Using that also you can check. So either you can use the what's it, forward slash with pattern. Otherwise, if you do not want to write forward slash, because if you write forward slash, that is what? Directly writing the regular expression. If you do not want to write that, you can write the regular expression object itself. So if at all we are using regular expression object, there the forward slash concept gone. Only within single quote you can write. So you can use the test method for the regular expression. There you have used which maths. I think in everywhere you have written the maths. Maths. Text.maths with the regular expression. It is checking, it is matching this regular expression matching or not. If you do not want to write this method, then you can go for test method of the regular expression object. There is a method called test method of regular expression you can use. So the test method of regular expression method, it will try to search the particular pattern. It search testing for a pattern and returns true or false. If the pattern available returns true, otherwise returns false. Okay. So you can write the pattern slash with e and the text. This returns true. Yeah. Returns true because that pattern is available. So what you are searching? Search for an E in that text paragraph. In the paragraph, whether E is there or not. If it is available in the 01 paragraph, then display in demo paragraph. In the demo paragraph, I got true. Okay. So you do not have to put the regular expression in the variable text also. You can write in this way also slash e dot text. This way also you can write. So you have used which method? Test method. Similarly, there is another method called exec method. The exec method of regular expression, it searches a string for a specified pattern and returns the text as an object. If no match found, returns null. If nothing is there, returns null. Okay. So here it will try to check E is available or not. Yeah, it is available at the position 2. Found E in position 2 in the text. That means there are various ways are there to test it. So remember, the exec method is a regular expression method. It searches a string for the specified pattern and returns the found text as object. If no match found, returns null. The following example search for the string for the character E. So in which text is found? At the second position, 0th position, first position, second position, 0, 1, 2. So in second position, that E found. If I write here, instead of the, I'll write here some ky. Here what will happen? Found at position 4. The position changed. So it will try to find the position of the first position where it is found. It stop. Of course, by practice you can know, but try to know what are the methods are there. Whenever the necessity comes, you can use these things. So it is a awareness program. You should know what are the methods are there. Once you know the availability of the methods, then whenever you are developing any project, then you can use this thing. First of all, you should know what are the things are available. Later on, you can use it. So in this program, you will be trying to know what are the different methods available in the system. So while developing the project, you can use these methods. Okay. So take 10 minutes rest. Welcome. Yeah. Now we'll see how to change the CSS property using JavaScript. I told you using JavaScript, you can change the even attribute values and you can change the CSS properties, and using JavaScript you can change or you can check the data validation. So now here I want to change the CSS property, my attribute values. Assume I'm having a sentence like this. Initially I'm having a paragraph, hello world, and I'm having a second paragraph, bye bye. Okay, in the normal way, Control C, Control X. If I write this way, what happens? It gives normal sentence. But I want to add some attribute. I want to change the color dynamically. So in my normal tag, I didn't mention the color, in which color the data has to be displayed. So here I want to attach my styling property. So here what I'm doing, get the element by ID P2. Here I am changing the property P2. P2 means this one, second one. Its color is blue. So this is bye changing to color blue. But first one, P1, I want to go for font family Arial changing. But P1's color I want to change to yellow. So I want to change P1's color yellow. How to change yellow color or P1? So I should write get element by color P1 style dot color. Here I will write yellow. So I'll get yellow color. Or you may go for pink color. Okay. Or you may go for red. Anything you color right, you can mention red. So you are accessing that particular element, and in the style property you are writing the color attribute. The value is red. Similarly, for element P2, I am increasing font size larger. This is a larger size. Otherwise, I can write assume 100 pixel. 100 pixel. For P2 TPX. You can write larger also. Yeah. And I can write the font weight also bold. Font size, font weight. So these different properties you can be writing. Yeah, you can see another example also. You can change the CSS with JavaScript. You can mention here changing the CSS inline properties with the JavaScript. You can mention document dot the query selector here dot demo. That means it's a class. So wherever that demo class is there, that element you are changing the background color to red. Or you can specify the type. Wherever the button comes, for that button you can add the event listener click. So dynamically you can change the behavior of the particular web page with the help of the JavaScript. So that is the advantage here. Now you see div class equal demo, class equal to demo. Here, what is my demo class? The demo class having the padding 10 pixel from left, 10 from 20, 20 from right, and the margin from bottom is 20 pixel, and font size is 3 centimeter. The button 10 with 20, the font size 1.2 em. This is the one, what is it, their measurement unit. So here external CSS, and you can see the result, how the result is coming. Now if I click this button, automatically I am getting the hello. That means on click I am adding the event listener. On click for the selector demo, wherever is there, the style of background you made it red. Assume I will make it yellow. Here so you can specify a div. In the div class you can specify your set of buttons, and for that button you can write your JavaScript. There you can write your events, what event has to be done. Using that you can do. Okay, so this is the way you can change the properties of the CSS. Now you can change the CSS property using JavaScript. Whenever you want to change the style, you can use the style attribute. See here, initially you can mention my div class is there with 12 columns, and I am having another nested div with class P3. There I am having one input box and with one button. On change, the style should change. If I click on the button, then it is calling the change style method. In the change style method, whatever you want to change, you can write. So this is my method change style. This is what? My JavaScript function. In the JavaScript function, what do you want to change? I want to change the blue color border. Change the class name, input style border. There, the borders, I want to make it red. Make it red. So you can write this way. So earlier it was by default blue border. Now I want to change the border to red color. So, but I don't want to write the pixel file. Then and there, the color should change. So for that, you have to write a JavaScript function. So once you call this Java change style, the control comes here. So if you want to access anything, what you have to use? Always you have to document object, because document object is one which is controlling your complete web page. Because I told you it follows your DOM, document object model. The complete page is controlled by a special object, that is DOM object, means the document object. The document, inside the document, I can access any element. So I can access the element called class name, because every element can be identified by either by class name or by ID or by some special tag. So here I am identifying the element by class name. Wherever input blue border is there for the zeroth item, I am putting the style border color red. Actually by default it was the blue border. Now I am changing to red. So this way you can change the color. So the change style method, which is calling whenever you are clicking on the button. Once you click, that method will be invoked. There you are writing the style that border color equal to red. Automatically the color become red. Okay, this is the way you can change the. You can manipulate the CSS with JavaScript also. Yeah. Now see, one beautiful program is given. A JavaScript demonstration. Here, you can have a JavaScript file even externally also. If you do not want to write the JavaScript in the same page, you want to write externally, you can write in a separate page. That page you can specify. So while writing, you have to specify from where it has to come. So I'm coming from script5.js. This is my external file. So sometimes they may ask a question, where you write the JavaScript. JavaScript can be written in the same file, or it can be written external. That means it can be internal or it can be external. If it is external, then the file must have extension .js. The file must have extension .js. J stands for JavaScript. So you create a separate JavaScript file. There you write your complete JavaScript program. No need to write your HTML. Write complete JavaScript, which follows almost all Java syntax with two dynamic type features. So after storing that file you can include here. Then if you click on that button, then the corresponding method on click you can invoke. So make a new CSS file. So this is your what? HTML file. In HTML file, you are writing what? In the script tag, you are not writing here script. The script JavaScript is given in separate file. So remember, in the script tag, the first attribute is text. I think I told in the morning session. Earlier there is something called VB script. Instead of JavaScript, you can write even VB script also. But if nowadays VB script nobody is using and no browser also supporting, because earlier it was completely dominated by Microsoft. Now Microsoft is now out of focus. So nobody is concentrating towards the VB script. Everybody uses JavaScript. So use this one followed by my JS file, the external JS, whatever the file you have written, that file is included here. Once click the button, the JavaScript file will be using here, and I'm using the style5.css. And please remember, here the CSS also you may write in separate file. The CSS file extension is .css. So href. So if you want to include the style sheet which is written outside, then you have to use the link tag. In the link tag, you can mention means linking style sheet. The type is CSS, and href you are referring to style5.css. This is also stored in some other file. So JavaScript is written outside, CSS written outside, but linking with this file. This is HTML program. In the HTML program, you are including both CSS as well as JavaScript. So assume that this is my file, CSS file. There you have mentioned this hash square equal this. You have mentioned this square where it is calling. This is maybe used in the script file. Yeah, square. So document value ID, because here you give hashtag, the hash symbol is ID. So get element by the square, automatically that square I'm getting, and document to get element by click me. So when I'm clicking that, then do demo function I will be calling. Do demo, whenever I'm calling this method, what? Square style this, and attribute disabled, timeout word. So this particular style will be added. Style will be added whenever this function is called. Similarly, clear demo, whatever the styles you have attached, you want to clear it for the square. So the background color you want to make it transparent because you want to clear it. So click me dot on click. That means whenever you're clicking me, that which one button, that time this do demo method is called on click call pass markment. So automatically do demo method is called whenever the button is clicked. ID click me. This is access here. Which one? Click me is access here. So the click me is my object. Here through the object I'm calling on click method. In on click, which one I'm calling? Do demo I'm calling. This is the way of changing the CSS property using JavaScript. So you can change the behavior of the web page dynamically. That is the advantage of this JavaScript. Okay. So the JavaScript is very much useful for designing the web page, because using JavaScript you can control all the operations. Yeah. See another example. This is, you can have a live demo on this also. See here, I'm having a paragraph with ID size, another paragraph with ID style. If I click on size, if I click on the size, on click, Then I am changing the style. If I style, what is getting? Which style? Italic style. So I am changing the style to italic if I click. Now you can have another button. I want to make it bold. Control C. Assume. Control V. Button. Type is button. On click. Document get element by style. Style dot font style. I'll make it bold. Assume. I'll run now. Execute. Yeah. Here, if I click here on click document element, here I will have one more paragraph. Or the style, font style, bold. The style here, execute. Yeah. So I made font weight bold. So that means here instead of style, I'll say bold. I'll make it bold. So dynamically you can change. Size is changing. So that means the programmer having full right to change the behavior, the styling of the particular web page with help of the script. So on click, you are calling this. On click, you are doing what? Document dot get element by ID. Which ID? The style. This is my ID. Okay. So this is the way you can do. Another one, because if you practice, many programs will have more ideas. Here see another one. How you can change. I'm having a paragraph with a ID color, and if you click color me, so now can you tell me which color will come? Because on click color equal to blue, that means I'm changing to blue color. Yeah, blue color is changing. Blue color is, if you want write red, you can write red color me. Execute. Color me. Yeah, red color is good. So dynamically based upon your necessity, you can change to a particular attribute. In the similar way. So remember, you can link the style from other file, or you can do the style within the file. That means in inline style or external style. Similarly, JavaScript, you can write either internally or you can write externally. In both the way, you can use either JavaScript or CSS. Yeah. So you can practice all types of program. Okay. Try to use the JavaScript and CSS for your web page design. Okay. So thank you. So tomorrow 10 o'clock we'll start the next session. Thank you.